Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So one of the issue I was faced about the navigation. So I just find a solution. So I'm just sharing with you. So this is the application. So you can see like if I click on any tab, this one, so it's not navigating. Even though I already, you can see that I already print this statement. Also, the web link is available, but it's not navigating. Even though I already add up navigator push. So first of all, like what's the issue in this code? So you can, if you can see in this screen, like you can see like navigator push, and on line number 70 I was using navigator.pop, push and pop. So that is why the system is confused, like pop it or push it. So if you want to pop it, so you must need to pop it before the push. So if I add it here, so now how the code will work: when I click on it, system will first pop it, then navigate it. So if I click here, so now it's working, you can see. So let's say you don't want to pop it. I'm just commenting the code, and then if I click here, so it's basically going to that screen. But if you click back, so you can go back to the drawer again. So if your condition is something like that, like you are navigating from drawer, so if you want, like after clicking the back, instead of calling the page and pop up to the previous page, so you can use this navigator.pop, otherwise whatever the requirement. So this is the simple issue I was facing, so I just want to share with you. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.